Welcome to Understanding Financial Health, a comprehensive guide to balance sheets and business operations. In this presentation, we'll explore assets, funding, and profitability in business management, brought to you by Easy Peasy Accounting. The balance sheet equation is fundamental in understanding the relationship between assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets are what a business owns, liabilities are what it owes, and equity represents the owner's stake. This equation helps us see how all debts and obligations are balanced. Assets are valuable resources owned by a business, classified into current and non-current assets. Current assets are easily converted into cash within a year, while non-current assets are long-term investments. Understanding how to acquire and manage these assets is crucial for business success. Financial statements are essential tools for tracking a company's financial health. The balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. The income statement details revenues, expenses, and net profit, while the cash flow statement tracks the inflows and outflows of cash. Let's dive into the tale of Alex's Bakery, a business in the making. We'll explore how Alex managed assets, liabilities, and equity to build a successful bakery. To get started, Alex needed cash and secured $20,000 from personal savings, representing equity. Additionally, Alex obtained a $30,000 bank loan, a liability to be repaid. This initial funding was crucial for launching the bakery. At this point, Alex's balance sheet showed $50,000 in assets, including cash and the bank loan. Liabilities amounted to $30,000, and equity was $20,000, representing Alex's personal investment in the business. With funds ready, Alex invested in essential bakery equipment, spending $15,000 on ovens, mixers, and display cases, and $5,000 on raw ingredients like flour and sugar. These investments were vital for the bakery's operations. After these investments, Alex's balance sheet changed. Cash reduced to $30,000, inventory increased by $5,000, and equipment worth $15,000 was added as assets. These changes reflect the initial setup costs of the bakery. Alex opened the bakery's doors, and customers flocked in for freshly baked goods. Over the month, $1,000 worth of ingredients were used, and sales brought in $12,000. Operating expenses amounted to $4,000, reducing cash but driving revenue. At the end of the month, Alex's balance sheet showed $38,000 in cash, $15,000 in equipment, and $4,000 in inventory. Liabilities remained at $30,000, but equity increased to $27,000 due to profits earned, demonstrating the bakery's growth. Profitability is assessed by comparing total assets to liabilities. Initially, Alex's balance sheet showed $50,000 in assets and $30,000 in liabilities. By the end of the month, assets increased to $57,000, and equity rose to $27,000, highlighting the bakery's profitability. Comparing the initial and end-of-month balance sheets, we see significant growth in assets and equity. This comparison underscores the importance of managing assets and liabilities effectively to ensure business success. Alex's Bakery flourished by understanding the power of the balance sheet in running a business. We hope you enjoyed the story. A practice file is provided in the following video to help you better understand the concept of the balance sheet.